Welcome to the latest quick developer update of ERWIN. We're thrilled to share all the progress we've made since our last release.
That's right, we're now at version 0.6, the newest pre-alpha release, and the final one is part of the Practicum game development. It's been quite a journey since we launched the prototype in September 2022.
One of the biggest challenges we faced with the prototype was the desync issue. It made the replay of the previous player actions differ from the actual player behavior, which was frustrating to play.
We fixed this issue by introducing a complete rework of the rewind system in version 0.3, making it fully deterministic and synchronizing the replay and actual gameplay.
Unfortunately, it also meant that some exciting solutions to levels are now not possible anymore. We're not happy with that, so improving on this issue will be a core goal going forward.
We also learned a lot from the playtesting we did after the release of version 0.1. One thing we realized is that the core mechanic of ERWIN, the rewind mechanic, was challenging for players to grasp even with our tutorial.
We knew we had to find a way to make ERWIN's core mechanic more accessible, so we completely reworked the tutorial in version 0.2. The result is a real improvement in user experience, and we're eager to continue evolving it with our community's feedback.
We also noticed that many of our players had problems with the movement of the player character, so we made significant improvements to jumping mechanics and movement in general. While it remains a focus for future development, we will continue to make progress in this area.
In version 0.4, we focused on improving the visuals of the game by giving all levels an extensive overhaul. We also added dynamic effects like wind and snow to levels, which really brings the game to life.
We continued this in 0.5, where we not only redesigned the main menu and polished the overall visual experience, but also completely reworked the UI framework to create a more streamlined experience.
As part of our continued efforts to improve the player experience, we added a much-requested feature in version 0.6. Input remapping and controller support. You can now customize your controls and play the way you want to.
We've also been busy working on many small features over the last few releases to make the game even better. This includes an improved seesaw design, better movement on moving boxes, and a sleek new coin animation that adds an extra level of polish to the game.
That's all for this developer update. Thanks for your support.
We can't wait for you to try the new features out and give us feedback. Stay tuned for more updates.